Hi, I'm Caroline Park with Keller Williams. Securing permits in LA takes up to 15 months for single family homes and 18 months for apartments. Without reform, delays could stretch into years, leaving thousands homeless. How can LA break the cycle? Well, California's AB 253 allows for faster approvals for small projects under 40 feet tall. Zoning reform is also essential to rebuild communities with diverse housing options for all Angelinos. Contact me. Let's talk real estate. I'm Caroline Park with Keller Williams.